So, if you're having problems with Fortnite here and it's saying disconnected from match and you can't reconnect with the game itself, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is the most basic and the easiest one that you do here is to basically just restart your PC. Now, sometimes restarting your PC can help a lot. So, I actually experienced this before. Just restarting your PC, this will reset certain files and folders. So, yeah, so just start your PC and see if that helps. But if not, well, there are other things that you could try doing here. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to guarantee that any VPNs that you have on your PC is actually turned off. So in this case, it may be an app, it may be a setting here on Windows. So you just need to go to search here, just type in VPN, access your VPN settings here, and again, you want to make sure that you turn off any VPN connections. Now, typically, Fortnite here would actually detect or might detect that you might be cheating. So in this case, just turn off any VPNs, and that would help a lot, honestly. So yeah, next thing that you want to do if this doesn't work is you may want to change your DNS settings. So to change that, you want to go to your search bar here, just type in or look for control panel, and in here you want to go to network and internet. You want to go and just choose network and sharing center. Now, in here, you want to go and just choose the Ethernet option here for your current connection or Wi-Fi, depending on your current connection though. But once you've done that, you want to go to the bottom left here, go to Properties. And inside Properties, you want to look for Internet Protocol version 4 or IPv4. Select that, click on Properties again. And you want to go and use the following settings. So you want to go and use the following DNS server address and enter the preferred DNS server here as 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. Now, in this case, we'll be using Google DNS, so this actually helps a lot. This is what I'm using right now. So you go and click on OK and save your settings. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that doesn't solve your issue, well, you may need to clear your web cache. So to do that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just go to search here. Just type in run, and you want to go and just type in the following. It's going to be percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. Now inside this folder here, you want to look for Epic Games. So you can just press any folder, press E on your keyboard, look for Epic Games Launcher, double click on it, and you want to go ahead and look for web cache. Now if you don't see that in here, choose Epic Games. So yeah, it's going to just open up one of them, and you want to go and access the folder for the save folder here. Double click on it, and you want to look for web cache, right click on it, and just basically delete it. Now once you've done this, you go and just restart your PC again and see if that helps. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.